What could be the reason if you find oil right in here on the intake side of the turbocharger? You know, the intake side of the turbocharger has suction. Now there is a suction caused by the spinning compressor wheel. If you find oil in this area, it could be caused by two reasons. One is if there is a leakage from the turbocharger. You see, there is a massive oil coming to lubricate the turbocharger. If there is a leakage passing here, if there is a leakage from the turbocharger oil and bearing side into the turbine, into the compressor wheel, that is the number one cause that can be easily traceable. But the very misleading cause of oil in this vicinity is if the air cleaner is restricted. Now the idea is if the air cleaner is restricted, the vacuum in here, if it has no air going in, if there is no sufficient air going into the turbocharger from the air cleaner side, that massive vacuum will start to suck oil from the bearing side into the compressor wheel. So if you find oil inside the compressor housing, or if you find oil in the intake manifold of a turbocharger engine, it can also be caused by a faulty air cleaner. If the air cleaner is clogged, that can cause oil to get sucked from that side into this by the high suction of the compressor wheel.